Hi guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do a French braid, but first let's get on with removing her hair style before this. As you know, I do hairstyles every day for my girls, and I had done something with rubber bands and some braids on the side, some Dutch braids, so I needed to remove that first before I started the French braid. Brush her hair thoroughly afterwards and ensure that it's all ready for me to start. Her sister loves watching with her, and they're literally ready for bed because tomorrow they've got a long day and I need to give them a shower. But before that, I just wanted to focus on doing her hair because in the mornings it's absolute chaos with them three, and I really didn't want to do that because she is starting school tomorrow, so I wanted her to have her pretty hairstyle. Her hair has been already washed yesterday, so I didn't want to be washing it again. As you can see, I'm using Johnson's Baby. I am trying to cover my baby hair because I don't want them to get cold or anything, but the heaters are on like super high, so it's already super hot. But yeah, so I used Johnson's Baby to brush her hair off. As you can see, the hair was a little bit all over the place because obviously it needs brushing and I don't want to hurt her. So the reason why I'm using Johnson's Baby is because it just literally conditions their hair really good. It is a curl defining leave-in conditioner which helps to moisturize the curly and textured hair that she has, which is great. I just kept moving my camera because I wanted to get the right angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. So after I've detangled her hair and brushed it through, removed the hair, the old hairstyle, I'm starting off to make the French braid here. Nicole is super cute. She's only 3 years old and she would literally watch her phone and just sit for me to do her hair. She even said, "Mom, can you please do my hair?" And it was really cute because like I love that she wants me to do her hair for her. So the way I'm doing this French braid is I literally just grab a little part from each side and just build it into the braid backwards, as you can see under the plate. So I'm going under each section, right left, and just adding to the braid under the braid. And then once I get to the end of the halfway, as you guys can see, I'm only doing a halfway French braid. I just braid it in the 3 plaits and then I start just pulling little sides. I did ask me if she can find me a hairband, but she was struggling. But there she is, she found one, which is great. So I just pull the hair together and then brush it through. After I have put her little hairband, I keep splitting the little ends so the plait is nice and pretty. And ta-da, this is the results. It looks super neat, it's super cute and so tidy, and it's just such a perfect way to make your little girl's hair when their hair is so short. Yes, mommy? Sorry, my little girl wanted to say something to me. I replied to her and now I'm back to just explain to you guys that this was a very short tutorial, but yet I really hope it helped some of you. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. Bye.